Where am I? I don't know. I'm lying on a cold, stainless steel table. The room is perfectly white, blindingly bright, and smells sharply of antiseptic. There are no windows. There is only a heavy metal door, a single metal chair, and a high-tech digital monitor flashing rhythmically on the wall. Beep. Oh. Beep. Beep. Why am I here? I don't know. Oh, my head is throbbing. I try to move, but I'm too weak. I'm wearing crisp white scrubs. No shoes. I'm incredibly hungry, and my throat feels like sand. Who am I? I can't remember. I can't remember my face, my name, or a single day of my life. My head hurts so much. I close my eyes. I go to sleep. It's later. The lights are still bright. The monitor is still blinking. I hear a heavy clank. The metal door is sliding open. A man walks in. He is wearing a spotless white lab coat and a blue surgical mask. I can only see his cold gray eyes. How is the subject's cognitive retention today? He asks, speaking into a small recorder. Where am I? I croak. My voice sounds strange to me. Who am I? The man doesn't answer. He walks over with a small paper cup containing a dark blue liquid. Drink this. It will help with the headaches. I'm hungry, I say. Please, drink, he commands, his voice dropping into a flat, dangerous tone. He reaches into his lab coat pocket, and I see the silver glint of a scalpel. I take the cup. I drink the blue liquid. It tastes like copper and chemicals. Almost instantly, a heavy wave of exhaustion crashes over me. My eyes close. I fall back onto the steel table. Sleep. I wake up again. The room is dark now. The primary lights are off, replaced by a dim red emergency bulb. My head is burning, but suddenly, a memory flashes violently into my mind. I am standing in a dark alleyway. Rain is pouring down. I am wearing a black leather jacket and an earpiece. I am looking through a high-powered camera lens, focusing on the back door of a massive pharmaceutical laboratory called Syntech Bio. Suddenly, a heavy shadow falls over me. A massive hand grabs my shoulder. I turn, but a heavy, blunt object strikes the side of my skull. Sparks fly in my vision. Everything goes black. I touch the back of my head. There is a thick, stitched wound there. Why was I watching that laboratory? Am I a secret agent? Am I an investigative journalist trying to blow the whistle on an evil corporation? The next morning, the bright lights are back on. The man in the lab coat enters again. He looks agitated. We are running out of time, he mutters, pressing a button on the monitor. The board wants results. Who do you work for? What did you do with the encrypted flash drive? I don't know, I yell, my face burning. I don't remember anything. He steps forward and slaps me hard across the face. Think. If you don't give us the decryption key by tomorrow, we will wipe your brain completely and start over. He turns and storms out, slamming the heavy steel door. Clank. Click. But he was in a hurry. He made a mistake. I look at the floor near the door. When he slammed it, A plastic security swipe card must have slipped right out of his lab coat pocket. It is lying on the floor, just 2 inches past the bottom gap of the heavy metal door. I can't reach it with my fingers. The gap is too narrow. I look around the room. On the metal chair, there is a loose, sharp coil of wire holding the cushion together. I twist it, pulling hard until a long, 2-foot piece of stiff wire breaks free. I lie flat on the cold floor. I slide the wire under the door, carefully looping the bent end around the plastic lanyard attached to the swipe card. My hands are shaking. If I drop it, I'm trapped forever. Slowly, very slowly, I pull the wire back. The card slides across the polished concrete. I slide the card into the electronic reader on my side of the wall. Beep. Green light. The heavy door slides open. The hallway is empty. Alarms are quietly pulsing red. I sprint down the corridor, passing heavy glass windows. Behind the glass, I see terrifying things: cloning vats, chemical weapons, and rows of computer servers. At the end of the hall, I find a security office. The guards are gone, likely hunting for me on a different floor. On the main desk, a telephone is buzzing. Next to it is a computer screen displaying my own mugshot under the heading, "Intruder Identified." I grab the phone and dial the emergency services. "Police!" Quickly. I'm trapped inside the secret underground facility of Syntech Bio. They are conducting illegal experiments. "They kidnapped me." "Calm down, sir," the dispatcher says. "What is your name?" I look at the computer screen to read the file. "My name is Marcus Vance." Within minutes, sirens wail outside. Heavy, tactical police officers smash through the glass doors, throwing flashbangs and arresting the scientists in lab coats. A high-ranking police captain walks into the security office and finds me sitting there. Well, the captain says, shaking his head. "Marcus Vance. I never thought we'd find you helping us take down a multi-billion-dollar corrupt corporation." "Captain," I say proudly, standing up straight, "I am glad my undercover work brought these corporate criminals to justice. Am I an international spy or an elite federal agent?" The captain bursts into loud, uncontrollable laughter. "A spy? An agent?" "No, Marcus," the captain says, pulling out a pair of handcuffs. "You're a corporate saboteur. A rival company hired you to steal Syntech's secret formula for a new hair growth serum so they could sell it on the black market. You're just a high-tech thief who got caught by their security guards." The captain clicks the cuffs onto my wrists. "But, hey, thanks for the tip-off on the illegal lab. It saves us a lot of paperwork."